subscribe to another channel. As you can see here, we are still moving in this uptrend here, as I explained to you in my previous videos here, and we reached successfully for our liquidity, and I mentioned this liquidity in my previous videos. Here you can see we reach for it maybe to consist of 1, 2, and we are in the way for the third wave for this bullish scenario, and this third wave consists from this A, I would B, and we will get another C. This is my scenario for this continual bullish scenario, and I am waiting to see the reversing from this liquidity or the correction for the bullish. If we will get another bearish scenario here, if we will get another pullback or correction and the price back to break the second wave here, I will consider we will back to confirm and continue the bearish scenario. I have here two scenarios after reaching for this liquidity, one for continuing to the bullish scenario, and another two starting in the back for ending the fifth wave in the bearish scenario. The bearish scenario here, which consists from this WXY to end this W here successfully, and we have this A, B, C to end also this X, as you can see it, and we will start soon the bearish scenario for end the fifth wave, and we ended this 4 successfully here, and this is my key for continuing the bearish, breaking this previous point and also breaking this trend line here. I will confirm we start and continuing the huge bullish scenario and reaching for another top again, and reach maybe for this imbalance candle here to retest it in this 4-hour time frame. Until now here I am waiting to show another reversing from this liquidity. As you can see in this past here in my previous when we reach for this liquidity back again, and here this is my third or fifth retesting for this liquidity. Maybe the price will break it out and continue for go up again, and maybe back to create another correction, or maybe will be starting for the bearish scenario. Here in this 4-hour time frame, I have only this imbalance candle, and we have this only liquidity, as you can see it. Reaching for this 3-hour time frame here, you can see more details for this bearish and this bullish. Here in this 3-hour time frame, I have this diamond support area or this BOS, and I think if the price back again to this point to retest it, and I think it will be deeply to make this correction, and I think we will continue for this bearish after reaching for this deeply point, and we will break this diamond area and this BOS. I will update you in the future for this bearish if we reach for this point. But until now here I have this liquidity also, and I am waiting to see the reaction of the price at this point. It's my specific point for continuing the bullish or back for the bearish. Here also if we reach for this 2-hour time frame, you can see more and more and more details. These details here, as I explained to you in my previous video, reaching for this I have here this supply. This is my old supply, and in my record video in my previous video I said to you here reaching for this point, the price with this huge engulfing candle, the price don't create the red candle here, and I said to you I'm waiting, and the price here creates this 2 doji candle, and I think the price will reverse soon or maybe reverse from this point, and we reach for this liquidity successfully. And also here you can see we have maybe counting this point as the A, B, C, and we reach successful for this extension level 1.18, and this point maybe will be as the A wave in the Bullish, and I put this green and this blue point here for creating another small correction and back again to continue this Bullish scenario. But breaking this point, breaking this point and back deeply here, and also maybe break this small orange trend line here, we will reach for another more deeply pullback, and I think we will start here in this point, and we will counting as a bearish scenario, and may reach for this point as one, and get the second wave, and continue to the third and the fourth and the fifth wave to end this all fifth wave as red candle, as red trend line for this bearish, and maybe reach for break this point. Also here in this 2-hour time frame, I have this white trend line, as you can see it, and the price, when the price reach for this point, we get a huge resistance, and this is my second retest here, and I think the price will back from this point, maybe to create another small correction and break it to go up, or maybe we will fail to break this out and break out from this point and back to create and continue for the bearish scenario. Here what I have in this 2-hour time frame, I have this small diamond and break of structure, and you can see and I don't have anything else from this point. We reach for this break of structure and this liquidity. But also here, if we reach for this 1-hour time frame, as you can see, we have this more details also reaching for this point, and if you create this extension for this W, small micro W, X and Y, or ABC, we reach for this extension level 0.7, and this match with our resistance levels here 1.18, and also with this liquidity here. Until now I am waiting to see what will have and what we will get in this from this liquidity. I need to create for starting this bearish scenario. I need to get a huge engulfing red candle, maybe 1 and 2, to continue downside here, or maybe create a small correction and back again to break this all levels here and out from this this corner. Until now, thank you for joining me in my analysis. Remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.